Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Huawei Nova 11i. And to do this, first let's find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is right here. That's a phone call speaker. Next is on the bottom, and that's your main speaker right here. To determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. Okay, so clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker and doesn't come from this one, and that means this phone doesn't have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.